heels again. Keep the chest
Can you
lifted.
do that?
This is more intense on the lower body. 4 to go. Tummy in tight to support the low back.
Mom, and a little bit harder than
2
this.
counts lower to lift. Little bit tougher. Push to the top. Do that again.
I like it.
Lower lift. 3 counts down, 1 up. 3, 2, squeeze top. 1 more. 3, 2, squeeze top. Have a seat for reverse overheads, sculpting the shoulders. Palms away from you.
Oh.
Sit up nice and tall, elbows unlocked. Ready, lower lift. Down and up. Inhale and exhale. You never want to hold your breath during an exercise. Lower and lift. Think about sculpting sexy shoulders.
Good job, Hunter.
Down.
Really, I've got
2 to
some
go.
sexy shoulders.
2 counts down, 2 up. Little bit slower. Now push top. Don't lock your elbows. And again. Lower. 3 counts down, 1 up. Here's the toughest. 3, 2, push top. Once again. 3, 2, push top. Set up for heavy leg press. Come to the back of your transformer. Place your weights on your shoulders. Your right foot is in the center.
Okay, are you going that way now?
Ready? Lift and lower. Land gently on the floor.
There you go.
If you're just starting this exercise, land on a flat foot. Exhale, inhale. You have 4 to go. Squeeze top. Tap top twice. Reverse the move. Down and up. Lower and lift. Glide to the bottom.
Good job.
Really isolate that right leg. Here are your final 4. Down and up. Remember, this is the firm signature move. 2. Step down carefully. Going into reverse bicep curls. Pull your elbows to the back. Roll your shoulders back and down. Starting at the top of the move. Ready? Lower lift.
Well, Mommy,
8 times.
So you want to do
Think
the
about
ab